treat. In terms of size, parang you'll be finished with them in like 2 to 3 bites. So it's guilt-free in that sense. But then, it's packed with so much flavor that with just one, parang sobrang fulfilled ka na sa sweet craving.
Ayun. Oo nga, kasi yung iba kapag nakakita, gusto ubusin lahat. Pero dito, ayan. Pero may certain or specific flavors ba na bagay sa macarons?
Well, there's no really guideline or rule for flavors naman. As long as you strike a good balance, definitely po, the classics will be the winners. The caramels, the chocolates, like that. But then, if you choose to do the more interesting one or more adventurous ones, as long as you strike a good balance, then you're good to go.
Ayan, I see a lot of colors here, ano?
Yes,
kagaya nito. Yung, anong tawag natin sa color na to? Parang peach,
Yes,
pink. Anong flavor siya?
Well, kasi po, we have 10 flavors currently. The one you pointed out is the chai spice.
Chai spice?
Yeah, that's our more adventurous
medyo
flavor.
Spicy siya?
Not really po. It's more of like earthy and warm. Parang ano po siya. It's a blend of cinnamon, cardamom, clove.
Okay. And the yellow one is?
The one next to it is the banana walnut.
Banana walnut.
Yes.
And
then
then, of course, the classic chocolate.
Yes, definitely.
Pero ito, yung teal color.
That's the salted caramel. It's actually one of our best sellers.
Okay, so I will try this.
Ay, sige po. Sure, go ahead.
Kasi, sabi niya salted caramel. So, syempre, para malaman natin.
Yes.
So, aside from the salted caramel.
Then, this is the coffee caramel, raspberry ganache, mint chocolate, passion fruit milk chocolate, green tea, and the peanut caramel. There. How do you find it po?
Thank
you so much.
Hindi. Kasi nandun yung saltiness, pero hindi naman siya masyadong salty. Tapos yung the sweetness, naghahalo yung ano niya. At saka, may kakaibang flavor siya.
Thank you po.
Pero, sabi nga, can you give yung mga televiewers natin ng tips when they're buying dessert for their family, kagaya ng macarons?
Well, when they're buying, like what to look for, is it? Well, definitely. Well, kung ano po yung pleasing to the eye for you, and then especially like, siguro for like the beginners, try first the more classic flavors para you'll get like initiated to it in a gradual manner.
Hindi ka mabibigla ka agad. Pero may particular drink ba na pwedeng i-partner sa macaron?
Definitely po, I'd recommend tea and coffee to go with it. Siguro wag nyo na lang po isitin yung beverage para yung
complement
siya.
Yes,
opo. Para
kasi masyadong sweet na.
Exactly.
Diba? Ayan, and itong flavor na to talagang hit nga siya kasi masarap siya.
Thank you
so much, Mariel.
Thank you, Miss Wang.
Ayan. So, for those na interested or sabihin natin, where can they get in touch with you?
Well, they could contact me through by call or text. Our numbers are 330-9229 or 0917-896-3795.
Ayan. So, sabi nga niya kanina, isa lang, satisfied na yung sweet cravings mo, kaya okay na ako dito. So, thank you so much, Mariel Go of Alchemy Baking Magic sa Matala. Ano nga ba ang dapat at tamang gawin ng magulang pag nagsimula ng sumagot o mga tuwira ng anak? Kaya nang sama-sama natin na alamin sa pagbabalik ng homepage.
Sa homepage at home ka, kami ang tahanan mo sa umaga, sa umaga, sa umaga.
Oo nga po, parang
Alam niyo, Doc, yung boss ko, si Attorney Dice, kasi gusto niya kayo. As in, kapag nag-notes kayo, tapos pag nakita kami sa, sa opisina, ano kayo
lang yan, di ba? Summary, summary. Parang Cambodia galing yan, di ba? Di ba Cambodia galing yan? Hindi naman.
Dapat sound check na lang po.
Hello, sound check, mic. Ay, nag-allergy, ma.